Hello and welcome to our latest video on the Keto Ultimatum. The ketogenic, or keto, diet has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits and weight loss results. In this video, we'll be taking an ultra-detailed, step-by-step look at what the Keto Ultimatum is, how it works, and what foods you can eat on this diet. So, what exactly is the Keto Ultimatum? This is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that restricts your carbohydrate intake and encourages you to consume more healthy fats. According to Jason Ewoldt, a wellness dietitian at Mayo Clinic, up to 80% of your calories should come from fat on this diet, with only moderate amounts of protein and very few carbs. The idea behind the Keto Ultimatum is that when you reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body will start to burn fat for fuel. This metabolic state is called ketosis, and it occurs when your liver turns fat into small energy molecules called ketones, which your brain and other organs can use for energy. Foods to eat on Keto Ultimatum. So, what foods can you eat on the Keto Ultimatum? One serving of keto vegetables, such as leafy greens, cauliflower, and green beans, is a good place to start. You can also consume as much fat as you need to prepare your food and add flavor. Some healthy fats to include in your diet are olive oil, butter, and avocado. As for protein, you can consume small amounts of meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. However, it's important to remember that the focus of this diet is on healthy fats, not protein. For different types of keto diets, it's worth mentioning that there are 4 different types of keto diets that you can follow. Each version is high in fat and low in carbs, but with different macronutrient ratios. For example, there is a vegan keto diet, which is based only on plant foods and consists of 70 to 80% of calories from fat, 15 to 30% from protein, and 5% from carbs. In conclusion, the Keto Ultimatum is a great way to improve your health, lose weight, and increase your energy levels. If you're ready to start your keto journey, we recommend downloading a free PDF guide on keto meal planning to help get you started. And don't forget to share your keto journey with us by commenting below and tagging us on social media.